Hi everyone, my name is Stein. I'm here in Berlin with Audio Tent, and today you are all invited into my studio. Today we will be covering two of my most successful tracks, Speed of Light and Impact Theory. We will be covering everything about these two tracks, the kick, the rumble and low end, the big synths, big epic breakdowns, EQ and mix tricks, of course throughout sequencing, arranging, and just in general what makes these two such big tracks for me. So without further ado, let's just jump into the studio and get to the good stuff. Follow me.